Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to set the duration of text in Canva. So first of all, open your Canva as you can see on your screen. Now, you just need to make sure that you choose the video format. So click on Create a Design and here click this video right from here. Now here on this sample, as you can see, we have here two text elements. But we just need to remember, you can set the duration of text for every individual text element. So for example, this first element here, so right click, and then we're gonna click on this show timing. And here basically it will show up this tab right here. And if you want to edit this one, you can adjust it. For example, I want to end this at the middle of the video. Now if you play this one, as you can see, it starts with that first element and then ended up on the middle part of the video. Now let's try the second element right here. So again, just need to right click and then we're gonna click on the show timing. Now let's start it at the middle of the video right here. So basically it will start at the middle part of your video. So let's have an example. So let's play it here. As you can see, it is started at the middle part of your video. So that's it. That's how you basically set the duration of text in Canva. So as I've said, just need to remember that you can set the duration of text for every individual text element. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.